Good morning, just wanting to give a little shed update. If you saw the Absco shed video we did, you will see that our Absco shed is up. And like I said at the end of that video, I was going to put in a little garden, so we put just a little flower garden in at the side. That should grow up pretty. I absolutely love the colour of the shed. It's called Monument. It's a colour-bond colour. I think it's a pretty modern one and popular one. And the flowers just look so pretty up against it. It's like a black, like a charcoal-y sort of black colour. What we're doing is putting a little extension out the back. So there are a lot of things in the shed that we don't want in there, like mower, all the mowing equipment and tools and other things can be hidden out the back. So we've made a little extension. We've got to put a roof on it to stop the weather coming through. David's put a little slab down similar to the one we did in the shed. Yeah, so it's a pretty basic slab that we just did in 2 blocks. So coming around this side, you can still see there are a lot of things that we haven't put in the shed. David's taken out. We're going to throw a lot away, but organise a lot too out the back. So a lot of his mowing tools, wheelbarrow, I think he's putting the ride-on out there, and just bits and pieces he'll have to organise. But it will have a roof over the top. It will have probably eventually a side on it on this side, and maybe a door at some stage as well. But it should be cute. What we thought we would do too, because we were tossing up whether to do slats, like a full block of slats. Like we've left enough room in the middle here just to slot in more slats. So if we find it looks too messy from the front, looking at it from the house, we can just buy some more slats and they will slot in neatly into these gaps. Even if we did that up to about here, and that will cover the majority of the things in here. But thought we'd get some tin maybe off Facebook Marketplace to make a roof and attach it. David's not too sure how he's going to do that as yet. It'll be sloping down, sort of sloped the screen top paling of the screen down, and the side slope down as well, so the roof can just sit on there and it will slope down. At the end of the video of us putting the shed up, I was saying about water coming in. It was coming in through the back underneath. So what we did is we just got some spray. Instead of using the silicone, we just got some spray puffy stuff. It just all puffed up and set. Well, it's not hard actually. It's set, but it's not completely hard. It's flexible. It was a white colour when we sprayed it on, and it's slowly gone this mustardy colour, and so I'm glad that that is at the back and it's not showing and no one can see it, but that does the job. It's all waterproof now, no water comes through, and especially from the ceiling, no water ever did come through from there, which is what we were worried about a little bit. David also made a little ramp. This was from the leftover boxing for the slab for the shed, and he just cut it up and hammered it together, and he made a little ramp that he can ride his bike and mower up. Actually, I would like to paint that too, the same colour as the posts around the back, but I think that would look nice. So I just wanted to do a short, quick video to give you a little update on what we're planning to do with the shed, or what we have done since putting the shed up. We think it looks really lovely, and it's going to be very practical too. It's Callie. Hi Callie. And I will keep giving you little updates as we progress with this at the back, because I think it should look really nice and we're really pleased with it. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, enjoy my weekly videos and have a great week.